OpenClaw has over 13,000 community-built skills on ClawHub. Most of them aren't worth your time. These 5 are. I spent weeks going through the most downloaded and most useful skills so you don't have to. Here are the 5 you should install first, what each one does, why it matters, and exactly how to install it. Skill number 1, Mission Control. Mission Control gives your agent a morning briefing dashboard. Every day it pulls together your emails, calendar, top news, and tasks, and delivers a single summary to your messaging app before you start work. 8,000 people have downloaded this skill, and once you have it, you'll wonder how you lived without it. Install it with npx ClawHub at latest. Install Mission Control skill number 2, Agent Browser. This one gives OpenClaw the ability to actually browse the internet. Not search, browse. It can navigate websites, click links, fill out forms, and extract information from any page, even ones with no API. 11,000 downloads. This is the skill that makes web research and monitoring fully automatic. Install it with npx ClawHub at latest. Install Agent Browser skill number 3, GOG, the Google Workspace skill. GOG connects OpenClaw to your entire Google account. Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Docs, Sheets. Your agent can read and send emails, check your schedule, create documents, update spreadsheets, all from plain English instructions. 14,000 downloads, and it's one of the most requested skills in the community. Install with npx ClawHub at latest. Install GOG skill number 4, Summarize. This skill teaches your agent to condense anything, emails, articles, documents, websites, YouTube transcripts, into clean, focused summaries. It sounds simple, but it becomes the backbone of almost every workflow you build. 10,000 downloads. Install with npx ClawHub at latest. Install Summarize skill number 5, Capability Evolver. This one is different. Capability Evolver lets your OpenClaw agent improve its own skills over time. It watches what you do, notices patterns, and automatically generates new capabilities for tasks you repeat. 35,000 downloads, the most downloaded skill on all of ClawHub. Install with npx ClawHub at latest. Install Capability Evolver. Here's how skills work if you're new to this. Each skill adds specific tools and knowledge to your OpenClaw agent. Once installed, you just tell your agent what you need in plain English, and it uses the right skills automatically. All 5 of these are free. They live at clawhub.ai, where you can browse all 13,000 skills by category. The install command for all 5 in order is in the description below. If you're just getting started with OpenClaw, install Mission Control first. It's the fastest way to see what a personal AI agent actually feels like in your daily life.